Hi, today we'll talk about how to compare different cultures of Sudan. The cultures of Sudan has to devote to the religion, languages, ethnic food, and tradition of the people in the African country. The inhabitants of Sudan are organized by tribes, which is the larger proportion of the population in the country. The people in Sudan are extremely poor, since they truly do not have the basic public services for the survival such as electricity, drinking water, and basic sanitation, and the food is quite precarious in nutritional aspect. Culture of USA. The culture in the USA is very surprising and the advances in people have perfect public service, the high Amazon church, restaurants and parks, and the social development is very high, impacting remarkably on the population. The culture in Colombia is particularly unequal, but the people are very cheerful and hard working. This country has wonderful and perfect places. The majority of the trees are low farmers and the incredible produce for the supervillains of their population. In conclusion, their cultures are very amazing, magical, and surprisingly part of the universal story of the earth. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.